What people should know about me as a cook is that I've been in the game for a long time. This is probably like year number 35 for me. Been around for quite some time, know almost all of these guys in this tournament.
I love to cook, and you can obviously tell I love to eat, so it makes two in the same.
I'm really from Caracas, Venezuela. I cook with my heart and soul in everything that I do.
That I can pretty much do it all. I've got a very, very well-versed culinary background, and nothing really surprises me.
I'm from New Orleans. I'm Vietnamese in heritage, and those are two of my favorite things to cook.
I am half Filipino and half Jewish, so I really like to take my culture and bring it into the food that I cook.
I cook with big flavors. I've cooked in a lot of different restaurants. I've been cooking for a very long time. I just like making things that are undeniably delicious.
I'm always using myself as an example to cook from, so I'm not really trying to beat anybody that's a competitor. I'm really trying to beat the best version of myself.
My strategy for this TOC is to really play into the randomizer and just kind of stay in my lane and cook my food.
To believe in myself, just do what I know, which is cooking delicious food, and just be confident.
Not to forget who I am and all the delicious things that I've made, and try and apply that to the competition.
So this is my second time on TOC. My strategy the first time was to psych myself out and just obsess over everything. This time I'm kind of doing a little bit more of a laid back kind of vibe, not think about the challenge that's in front of me and just go with the flow.
I have never competed on TOC, but I've watched enough episodes. It's a whole nother animal, and an animal I know how to butcher.
It's called the Tournament of Champions, not the Tournament for Chumps. Like a forest of champions. And I'm the lumberjack that's coming through, chopping through, one tree at a time.
I don't think there is any strategy going into this. There's no way to know until you stand in the moment. I've just tried to figure out ways to try to manage my time the best way possible.
Know what I'm gonna do, gather everything together, and avoid running around crazy, and just focus on what I'm gonna do and just nail it.
I have what it takes because my flavors are delicious. Delicious, I'm super creative, I'm fast, and I know that I can get to the top.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna bring it so hard, nobody's gonna see what's happening. Plus, I might even hit a little salsa dance at the same time when I'm doing it.
I'm a fierce chef, over 22 years in this business, have cooked all kind of different styles, techniques. I'm excited to showcase that here.
When you're battling and cooking, it's almost like golf. It's all a mental game, and as long as you stay focused, get something on the plate, make it delicious, you'll do well.
I definitely have what it takes to make it to the main bracket. I'm a seasoned vet when it comes to competing, and I'm here to win.
I have the technique, I have the skill. I just have to keep my head on straight, not lose sight of time, and do what I know how to do.
I lost in the first round last year, and I want to prove myself, so I am coming back with a vengeance.
I'm a troll, I'm a disruptor, and I'm coming here to disrupt and upset some people, respectfully.
I would be most nervous to battle Monique. Her flavor profiles and different experience with different spices and everything.
I'd be mortified if I had to go up against Minnie Chohan.
Oh God, Tiffany and Minnie are so amazing. I think I would want to go against Tiffany. I don't know why. Not that I think she's like a worse competitor. I just think I don't know. I think I want to go against Tiffany. Yeah.
Of the former champions, Mei Lin is a beast. She's so good that she would kill you before you even pick up your knife. She's dangerous. That's the kind of mojo that you just don't want to mess with.
Probably Brooke, just because she's a friend of mine. She's already won one, so I wouldn't feel bad if she lost against me because I would be taking home something she's already taken home.
I would be most scared of May. May's like my big sister, but the student will become the teacher.
I mean, to be honest, if I make it to the main bracket, all four of those ladies are equally as terrifying, but I'm ready for them.
Well, actually, I'm very nervous about all of these chefs. They're very talented, but I think Mei Lin is, wow. I admire her, and her food is absolutely delicious.